The harvesting machine cuts each mature sugarcane stalk at its base with remarkable precision, within seconds, thousands of preserving their natural sweetness for sugar production. Before the sugarcane leaves the harvester, powerful cleaning systems remove dry leaves, tops, and loose plant material, improving efficiency and maintain premium sugar quality. After cleaning, the sugarcane enters the precision chopper. Powerful rotating blades cut every stalk into uniform billets, creating the ideal size the cane's natural sneation and freshly chopped sugarcane is transferred directly from the harvester into transport trailers without touching the ground. This fast and efficient loading process, within minutes, the transport trailer is completely filled with freshly harvested. Careful, even loading prevents damage to the crop and its maximum efficiency before the journey to the sugar factory begins. Once fully loaded, the sugarcane convoy immediately begins its journey to the processing factory. Rapid transportation is essential. Within hours of harvesting, the sugarcane arrives at the Domino Sugar factory. Rapid delivery preserves the cane's natural sweetness, ensuring maximum sugar recovery before processing begins. Every truck is weighed immediately after arrival. This allows the factory to monitor production efficiency. It calculates sugarcane entering the line. After inspection and weighing, the truck moves onto a powerful hydraulic tippler. Within minutes, the entire load is loaded into the receiving hopper. From the receiving hopper, the freshly harvested sugarcane is transferred onto heavy-duty conveyor belts. Automateds maintain a steady and even flow before the process begins. Before sugar extraction begins, every piece of sugarcane is thoroughly washed. Powerful high-pressure water leaves and other impurities, ensuring only clean cane enters the system.
After washing, every piece of sugarcane is carefully inspected. Workers and advanced optical scanning systems remove any remaining impurities, ensuring that only the high. After careful cleaning and inspection, the sugarcane enters the first crushing mill. First flow of sweet sugarcane juice, the essential ingredient for Domino Sugar.
Inside the primary crushing mill, enormous steel rollers squeeze the sugarcane with tremendous force. Fresh sugarcane juice flows into
The final crushing stage extracts nearly all of the remaining natural sugar from the bagasse. After this process, the valuable juice is collected for purification, while
To recover every possible gram of natural sugar, the crushed bagasse passes through a second extraction mill. Controlled hot water washes the fibers, while to begin purification, a precisely controlled amount of lime milk is added to the fresh sugarcane juice. This adjusts the juice chemistry, allowing natural impurities. Juice extracted from every crushing mill is combined inside a massive collection tank. Here, where natural impurities will be removed to prepare it for sugar production. Inside the giant clarifier, natural impurities slowly settle to the bottom, while crystal clear sugarcane juice rises to the top. The clarified sugarcane juice now enters a multi-effect evaporator. Using recycled steam and vacuum technology, water is gently removed from the juice.
Inside the vacuum pan, concentrated sugar syrup is boiled under reduced pressure. Tiny seed crystals are added, allowing millions of pure sugar crystals to grow gradually.
Inside the vacuum pan, each sugar crystal grows slowly and uniformly as the concentrated syrup circulates continuously. Precise control of temperature, vacuum.
Once the sugar crystals reach the ideal size, the finished massacrete is discharged from the vacuum pan. This crystal-rich mixture is kept warm and gently mixed before moving to the centrifuges. Inside the high-speed centrifuge, powerful centrifugal force separates the pure from the remaining molasses, while the remaining perforations complete. While the centrifuge continues spinning, a controlled spray of hot, purified water gently washes the sugar crystals. This removes the final.
After washing, the centrifuge stops, and the purified sugar crystals are gently discharged onto a food-grade conveyor. The sparkling white sugar now moves to the drying stage.
After centrifuging, the sugar still contains surface moisture. Inside the fluidized bed dryer, controlled streams dry every crystal, producing clean, bright.
After drying, the sugar enters a controlled cooling system. Clean, filtered air gently reduces the crystal temperature, preventing moisture from returning and
Before packaging, every batch of Domino Sugar passes through an advanced optical inspection system. High-speed cameras and precision sensors examine millions of sugar crystals. After passing the final quality inspection, the finished Domino Sugar is transported into sealed storage silos. These climate combination, ensuring every crystal remains From the climate-controlled storage silos, Domino Sugar is automatically fed to the packaging line. Precision feeding systems maintain a constant flow, ensuring before packaging, every portion of Domino Sugar is weighed with exceptional precision. Advanced multi-head weighing technology measures each batch to the exact target weight. The precisely weighed sugar enters a fully automated packaging machine. Food-grade packaging film is formed into pouches, filled with the exact amount of Domino Sugar, and heat-sealed. Each package is securely heat-sealed to lock in freshness. Manufacturing information is printed on every pouch. Continues. It now proceeds smoothly to the final stayer. Individual Domino Sugar pouches are automatically arranged and packed into sturdy shipping cartons. High-speed robotic systems ensure every carton is filled accurately, securely. After packaging, robotic palletizing systems carefully stack every Domino Sugar carton onto shipping pallets. Advanced automation ensures perfect alignment. Each pallet is automatically wrapped. This high-strength stretch film secures every carton during transportation. This ensures they reach customers in perfect condition. Once securely wrapped, every pallet is transported. Driverless forklifts place each pallet into storage, where advanced systems track every shipment before distribution. Domino Sugar is loaded. Advanced systems ensure every shipment reaches global markets in perfect condition, from fields to tables around the world. After leaving the factory, Domino Sugar reaches supermarkets through a carefully managed distribution network. Every shipment is inspected once again. Domino Sugar finally reaches supermarket shelves. Carefully displayed, every package delivers the same high standards: purity, quality, and freshness. From Brazil's vast fields to careful packaging, every step preserves quality. Now, Domino Sugar is ready to bring pure sweetness to millions of homes. After an extraordinary journey, Domino Sugar reaches its true purpose, bringing sweetness to homes, family moments enjoyed every day around the world.